Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to enable virtualization on Windows 10, Windows 11 or any other version of Windows you have in your computer. Now you have this question in mind that what virtualization will do. It will allow an operating system to perform more effectively and efficiently, and it utilizes the CPU power in the computer so that it runs faster. Unfortunately, in many CPU, virtualization is disabled by default, and we can enable it from BIOS, and currently in this video we will check if it's activated, if it's enabled or disabled. So please make sure you watch the whole video. In the search icon, type cmd and hit enter. Once the command prompt is open, type system info. Once you have typed it, hit enter, and it will start loading information for you. And the very bottom I can see Hyper-V requirements. It is virtualization enabled in firmware, yes. So if in your computer virtualization enabled in firmware is no, then you can enable it from the BIOS, and I'll tell you how you can do that. In the start icon, you just need to do a right click and then go to settings. Once you're in settings, you will find update and security. So once you click on that, at the left hand side you will find recovery, and here you will find advanced startup from a device disk, Windows startup settings, restore Windows from system image. So I'll click on that, advanced startup. Now once you do that, it will restart the computer, and you will find choose an option, continue, troubleshoot and turn off. So I'll select troubleshoot, and here you will find reset this PC and advanced option. Now since I am running this computer in virtual mode, I'm not getting an option, but in your computer you will get firmware UEFI boot like that, and you just need to click on that, and you will be in the BIOS settings, and there you need to go to system configuration. In system configuration, you can enable virtualization by using the tab and the arrow key on a keyboard. Now different motherboards, different BIOS features. I hope this very short tutorial has helped you. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.